Old Artifacts of Jamaica, Part 1. First, we're going to talk about the monkey jar. Before something been named fridge, there was something called a monkey jar. A monkey jar is a long-time earthenware teapot-shaped container. It was used to keep drinking water cool, and it has been around since the 17th century. Tailoring irons and sad irons were used in the 19th century. They were used to smooth out and press clothes and linen. They were heated up over coals and firewood. The abeng is a musical instrument and a communication device used by the Maroons back in the days. It was made from the horn of a cow. The abeng play a big role in Maroon culture as it was used back in the days to communicate within the community, communicate when war is going on, and also to drive fear in them enemies. Some people say that the abeng was also used to call slaves, to summon slaves by slave owners. The abeng dates back to the 16th century. Taino wood carvings date back to the earliest inhabitants of the island, the Jamaican Tainos. Sculptures of the Jamaican Tainos date back to 700 to 1500 AD or even earlier, nobody really knows. Their sculptures were the earliest beginnings of art in Jamaica. 10-shilling paper notes were issued by the government of Jamaica. It was equal to half a British pound. It dates back from early to mid-1900s. Then it was voted out on January 30th, 1968 to be replaced by the Jamaican dollar. The old sugar boiler pot dates back to the 18th and 19th century. It was made by the sugar industry for the sole purpose of producing sugar. So it was made for the plantations. However, other people decided to cook food in it as well. So it was used in the production of sugar back in the day, and people also cooking it when they were cooking for a large number of people. The 3-foot pot was used to cook over a coal stove. It was made from cast iron, and it was used to cook for a large number of people.
Like and share for more.